I think it's a great idea. So also Happy Tales, the veterinary clinic that's having the screening along with Sunny Supersound and the film producers. I think it's a great idea. It's a novel idea. It's wonderful to have kids and families come in. We've always been a family that's had a dog at home from the time that I was born. I don't think I've had any time or period in my life that I've not had a pet. So it's wonderful, and I think all of us want a little bit of hope that when our pets pass away, that there is some cycle where they come back in our lives. And I think I've experienced that myself before. So I think it's a great idea, and I'm looking forward to watching the movie.
What is the one habit that you like to take from pets? Like which
I think the one habit is that if you leave the house even for 5 minutes and come back, they still greet you like they haven't seen you in the longest time ever. So I wish human beings were like that when we saw each other, we were equally happy to see each other. Yeah? Thank you.